In this exercise video, I'm going to show you how to do some self-massage to your legs using a roller massage stick, or you can also do a standard rolling pin from your kitchen as well. So you can find these pretty easily anywhere online or any sports stores or Walmart or Target in the sporting section. It's just usually a plastic or silicone based roller that has sometimes one long strip of rolling like this one, or it might be small individual segments of rollers, and that's okay. Either way is fine. What you're going to do to massage around the leg muscles is get into a sitting position, and you want to bring yourself sitting right at the front edge of that chair so you have lots of space behind the back of your thighs, in the back of your calves. So there's a couple different areas you can really highlight with the massager, and I'll show you all those different angles. So if we're looking at more the upper thigh, we can massage more the quad right here on the front of the thigh by just gently grabbing the roller and pressing down into my hands, bring that roller down into my femur bone, and you can just massage around, finding any tender spots as you go through different angles, because this muscle has 4 different muscle bellies to it. So you want to make sure you change the angle as you're massaging, up and down, all the way from the hip crease down to the top of your kneecap, but not over your kneecap, and all the way up and down. So you can spend a good amount of time, usually about 2 minutes or so, just working on the front of the thigh. Now, if you want to get more inner thigh in your adductor muscles, then you just bring the leg a little more out to the side so you have more room. Get right on the inside of those muscles, and you can massage from the knee up to the pubic bone to get those adductors. And again, there's a couple of different muscle bellies, so you're going to change your angle slightly to get all those different angles in that group of muscles. And you can put as much pressure into it as you feel you can tolerate without causing too much discomfort. So that's the adductors, inner thigh. We have the quad, or the top of the thigh. Now you can also get the outer IT band here. No, reminder that the IT band is not a muscle, it's just a piece of connective tissue. So a lot of times when you have tenderness along the IT band, it's usually due to some issues up in the hip. So although massaging on the IT band can sometimes be helpful, what's usually more helpful is working on whatever is happening in the hip, of any tightness, weakness, or both in this area. But to massage the IT band, you're just going to bring it out to the side, massage down to the knee and up to the bony part of your hip. And you can massage around the IT band here. Now, if you want to get hamstrings on the back of the thigh, again, there's 4 different muscle bellies, so you want to make sure you're getting up into this area. And what you're going to do here is get the roller on the back side of your thigh, and you're going to be pulling up now into the femur bone. And so I'm going to pull up into it and massage from the knee up to my sit bone as close as I can to that top of the hip. And I'm just going to find different angles to get all those different muscle bellies here and massage around those hamstrings and finding any tender, tight spots to work on in that region. So again, each different area could be indicated for different things, but this shows you how to use it for anything that's happening in the thigh that you might want to self-massage. And you're going to put as much pressure into it as you feel comfortable without causing a lot of guarding or tightening of your muscles or a lot of pain. So this should feel fairly comfortable, and you should be able to relax into it. So if you feel your body is tensing up and fighting it, you're likely pushing too hard. Now, while we're here, we can also use the massage stick to go around the calf area too. So in the sitting position, you can get your massage stick and put it on the back of your calf, and you can massage from the back of the knee all the way down to the ankle. And you can, again, find those different angles to get all the different muscles in this area. And this can be a great way to massage through the back of the calf and the lower leg. So you can use the massage stick to do any massaging from the lower leg to the upper leg in a seated position pretty easily.